Ciao, Team Bella, and welcome back to the channel. I am here with the plan with me in my Simply layout for my social media planner. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Miranda Jo, aka Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, here to tell you you can expect 3 things on this channel. Definitely positive vibes. We're all about the positive vibes. Styling and profiling. We're styling our planners, our lives, and our bodies. In our homes, whatever we want to style. When we touch it, it's some style, okay? And last but not least, a good kiki, and that's a laugh if you're not familiar with what kiki means. And to my A1s from day one, hey y'all, what's up? How y'all doing? How y'all been? I hope all is good with you and all is good for you. I can tell you guys that I am still loving this this verse planning, the special days and holidays. So February 7th is the National Rose Day, and I am so excited. I love roses. Now I like the kind of funny color roses, not necessarily the red roses, but I like red roses too. But I like the lavenders, the yellow with the orange tips that look like maybe a sunset or something like that. I really like those roses. What is your favorite color rose? Tell me about that. And I know I said I'm not going to be using this, but like I said, I feel like if I don't use them on the weeks that they have days, then I'm going to miss out. And I don't want to miss out. I want to be able to use the sticker book on hashtag use all the things that I buy this year. So yeah, that's what it is. I love these dates that have the little roses on it. It's so cute. The little single red rose. And then we have a really cute doll. She's pretty big. I don't know where I'm going to put her. So we may not use everything on the spread. Okay, I think I'm going to put her in the middle. I like how she has her little tongue out like, ow, ow. We'll put her in the middle. This is a really good place for her. All right, let's see how that looks. She got her little rose shirt on. Yes, Rosie. We're going to call her Rosie. That's her name, is Rosie. All right, so we got Rosie down on the page. And I think that up here, where I think I want to, that's where I'm going to put this. I'm totally going to put this sticker up here in this corner. I think it is perfect. Yeah, that is cute. And then we're going to put this little thing here because I just like it. It's cute. And what I like about these kits, they seem to be the perfect size because I typically use most things that are in the kit every single week. Every single dingle week. And that's a good thing. That's a happy thing. You know, so less waste. And I was going to fill it up with boxes, but I just don't think that I am. I just don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to put this little rose up here in this corner. That's super cute. And that's it. I am going to grab some words. So I think I have a Instagram and a YouTube word. So, you know, that's where I typically put my stats up top. So I'm going to grab this Instagram. And we're just going to say where this is. We're going to put Instagram right there. Okay. And then the other one, I'm going to put YouTube right there. Okay, let's see. Yes, these words are from Simply Smith stickers. So, and this is just to record my stats, what they were at the beginning of the week. Okay, so we'll put those there. I really don't think that there is a no quotes or anything on here this week, just that. But I'm okay with that. I feel like this just has enough. And I think instead of bogging it down with any boxes or anything, there's definitely going to just be a bunch of pins. A bunch of pin to this. I'm going to add this little box here because it came with the kit. But I really think that if we just put some pen to this, that's just enough. I'm going with less is more this week. What do you guys think about that? This is good. This is nice. The only thing I think I could do maybe is add some bullet points. That might be really, really nice. Let's see what we can do about some bullet points. And I don't know, because I really like this light pink color, but I really don't feel like I have any bullet points that really match that. Not at all. So it's probably going to be like the burgundy. It's probably going to be the red. Let's see. I don't want to put so much red on there. Y'all know me. I will throw some black on something. I will throw some black dots on something real quick. So maybe that's what it should be. What do you guys think? Help me. Help me. Because I do not have a zig marker that is, you know, those colors. Oh, maybe we can add a little gold to it. Let's see. This is a gold. Let's see. Okay, we can add gold. That's what we'll do. We'll add a little gold to it because I really didn't want to add any red to this, guys. It's got quite enough red, and the gold just kind of breaks up things. So that's what I'm going to do. And I am totes feeling this. All right. All right. What do you guys think about the addition of putting just that little pop of gold on there? I think it makes all the difference. Well, this is a Simply Plan with me, Simply Saturday. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's quick and brief and to the point. If you enjoyed the video, 3 things for me: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.